guys, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog. Have you ever worked with Deco foil? This stuff is so cool. We are making a canvas bag with this beautiful rainbow Deco foil. And what I'm doing right now is I am weeding something that I cut out using Easy Weed adhesive. It is basically an iron-on adhesive. So it's kind of like the iron-on that you use normally, like heat transfer vinyl, except this stuff, when you press it, it becomes activated like a glue. And so what I'm doing here is I am placing this on my canvas bag, and the complete instructions are on the blog post so that you could see the exact temperatures and things that I used. But I'm pressing this down. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to remove the backing. And this is where the magic is going to happen, you guys. This is so cool. I'm going to take a sheet of this Deco foil, and this comes in all different colors, but I am using the rainbow color. It's so pretty. I'm going to take a sheet of it and place it right on top of this Easy Weed adhesive. Isn't that pretty? It's so beautiful. Going to press it down one more time. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to let it cool for a second, but let me just show you how pretty that is. And you can kind of see where it adhered to the design. Can you see that? All right, so now that it's a little bit cooled off, I am going to go ahead and start peeling this away. Isn't that neat? Look at how pretty that is. You guys, this works on shirts. This works on paper. I've used Deco foil in all kinds of different ways, but this is just the coolest stuff. I had so much fun making this project, and I hope that you guys will too. Make sure that you check out the blog post for the complete instructions. And by the way, I absolutely love this cut file. I had so much fun creating it. I create all kinds of fun cut files for my VIP Crafters Club members. And every month they get new cut files and a brand new project. It's all kinds of fun. So if you want to check that out, all you have to do is visit the link in the description box to join thousands of other members by joining us at VIP Crafters Club. When you join VIP Crafters Club, you will get instant access to this file and tons of others, plus you'll get access to all the projects that you're looking at right now. VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly craft subscription. It's perfect for beginners and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish. Something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or your Silhouette. You will get lots of amazing projects and cut files. Every month there's something new. My members tell me it feels like Christmas. Plus, small business commercial use is included. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together. We share our creations. It's so much fun, and lots of wonderful members get to share and craft with each other. It's a really, really special thing to be a part of. So I want to encourage you to check it out, learn a little bit more, join our amazing community with thousands of other Cricut and Silhouette crafters just like you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you inside.